Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Stremio add-ons that are not working. If you've noticed that your add-ons suddenly stop functioning or some extensions aren't loading, don't worry, it's a common problem and usually very easy to fix. I'll guide you step by step so you can get all your add-ons working again. First, open your Stremio app. You can do this on your laptop or mobile phone, whichever is convenient for you. Once the app is open, make sure that you are logged into your account. Being logged in is essential because some add-ons require account verification in order to function properly. Next, go to the puzzle icon in your app labeled add-ons. This is where you'll find all the add-ons you have downloaded. Inside this section, you'll see three main categories: official add-ons, community add-ons, and installed add-ons. Official add-ons are built-in extensions that come with Stremio by default. These are maintained by the developers, so they typically work without any issues. Community add-ons are optional extensions created by other users or developers. You can choose to install them to enhance your Stremio experience. Installed add-ons show all the add-ons currently installed on your app. Most of the time, the issue happens when you install a third-party add-on. If it's not working, the first thing to check is whether it was downloaded completely. Then, open your Stremio file manager and make sure the add-on is placed in the correct folder specified for third-party extensions. Incorrect placement is usually the main reason why add-ons fail to work. After confirming that the add-on is in the right folder, go back to Stremio, refresh the add-ons list, and check if it's working. Most of the time, this fixes the issue immediately. And that's it. By following these steps, opening Stremio, logging in, checking your add-ons, and ensuring proper placement, you can easily fix add-ons that are not working. This ensures your Stremio app runs smoothly and all your favorite add-ons function properly. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.